What's good, Marvelous DJs? Welcome back to the cheat code. Do you have one of these? This is the Pyle PHE400 Mini Hum Eliminator. If you're a DJ or audio enthusiast, you know how annoying hum and noise can be coming out of your speakers like this. Well, this little gadget might just be your best friend. We're going to talk about that today on the cheat code. Let's get it. So what is the Pyle PHE400? It's a 2-channel hum eliminator designed to remove that 60 Hz AC hum caused by ground loops. It's perfect for connecting your audio equipment without any unwanted noise. The PHE400 uses 11x1 isolation transformers to break the ground loop and convert unbalanced signals to balanced ones without any signal loss. It's got 1/4" and XLR inputs and outputs on both channels, making it super versatile for different setups. Plus, it's a passive device, or no power required. I've been using the PHE400 at my events, and it's been a game changer. No more worrying about hum or noise ruining my mixes. It's compact, easy to use, and built with high quality components, thanks to Pyle. So if you're looking to improve your audio quality and eliminate hum, the Pyle PHE400 Mini Hum Eliminator is definitely worth checking out. It's affordable, effective, and a must-have for any serious DJ or audio enthusiast. Here's the cheat code. This also acts as a converter and a splitter. So if I only have a 1/4" output and need an XLR, I use this. If I want to hook up an external recording device like Zoom H4n, which is used by almost all videographers, I let them plug into this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cheat codes. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay marvelous.